So we're heading to the airport to pick up Ginger, my girl, you know, my sister Nisha Maxwell, Nisha Mila Maxwell.
Yes, that's what we did. And we did that Trisha with her and take picture.
So we're reversing because we took the wrong turn. So now we're supposed to go on that road. We're going Montego Bay, so we need to go to the left. Oh, look at that view, man. So right now we're in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. I'm gonna put some air in the tires. Tell them say, you know, somebody are yard, bro, but you have to wait little cause you can't. So we're going to pick her up at the airport now. We stopped to get some KFC. We were hungry like dog. So I finally found her. She was mad because I took my time.
I waited for 30 minutes.
Shut up.
30 minutes.
So people come from the airport.
You're supposed to be
longer.
waiting here. You're supposed to be waiting here for me.
I said I was hungry.
I don't care. I'm hungry too.
We're gonna have her try Jamaican KFC first thing. Original and the barbecue. So try the chicken, the barbecue. Do you smell that? Smell that? So good. Just wait. If you're starving and you're about to die, don't go to KFC. It's not dry. Try the biscuit. It's better than Popeyes in Poland.
It's okay, but I'm not a biscuit fan.
Okay, give me my biscuit.
Yeah.
Give me my biscuit. So we stopped. Stretch our legs a bit, take some pics. You know, we are cowboys out here. This is our first time seeing a cow on the road. I mean a horse.
Horse.
LPSV Africa. Toniest Africa.
It's them for Africa. Sweet. I could look, okay.
She's making ginger tea. See that? That's real shredded ginger. That's you. You know, that's you shredded. You like the jungle so far? How many hours have you been
I
here?
fell in love.
You fell in love with the jungle? Back up off me, shorty. We said jungle vibes. Give us a 360. 360. Ooh! Yay!
A book.
A book. What's it about? About
Iceland.
Iceland? Not Iceland, y'all think that's it?
Iceland.
Back up on my face, shawty. It's all up in my face.
A small book to bring back big memories.
She brought some magnets. And a whole lot of candy for the kid, you know? She always,
Everybody.
For me.
Everybody.
Candy for me.
Everybody.
For me and
Selfish MF.
for me, and if someone wants, they can have. So, but they have to ask me, right?
It's for everybody.
So we got Island Grill.
Expensive grill.
Expensive grill, jeez.
It's got my grill.
So expensive. Oh my gosh. But it's good, it's good. It's worth it. We got the festival right here. Plantain, jerk chicken.
Spicy sauce. No, thank you.
She got jerk chicken, fries. She got feces. So, how was the jerk chicken? What?
Good.
First, this is a cocoa bread. Oh,
I'm in love with the cocoa.
bread. Then this is a great Jamaican patty that I've been telling you about. See this? Inside there's beef. So what you're gonna do? Give me that. You're gonna put the patty inside the bread. The patty. Open it up. See how soft it's inside? It's like a blanket. Blanket just for the patty. Then put the. Get away! Put it inside like that. So now you show me how you make it. Yeah? First you have the cocoa bread.
It's warm. Now I'll get my beef patty.
Beef patty.
Patty.
The beef patty.
First, I gotta open this cocoa bread.
And what's it like?
It's like a pillow.
A blanket.
Blanket.
Then,
And now we take the beef patty out.
Show us the patty.
And I put it on.
Put it in.
And
Then?
I cover it.
Fold it. Then
Eat it.
bite it. Bite it. See what it tastes like. How is it?
I don't really like beef, but this is good.
This is bloody good. They got chicken patties and they got beef.
Also,
So we're getting ready to go to the beach or the river. Yes. River time. For 2 days I've been searching for that speaker. Can't find it. Couldn't find it. Still can't
the
find it.
first hour I've been here, I saw it. I
Shut up.
noticed that it's there.
Shut up. It's your first time holding a child. Do you know what to do?
Come on.
Are you nervous?
I do this.
You do this? First time holding a black baby? Don't cap. Don't cap.
Might be, yeah.
Okay, so we've arrived. We've arrived. So we're about to get some food. This restaurant, we're at the beach over there. You can see the water behind there. Liam's curly forehead up in my face. We got the fish and the festival right here. Fish and festival. We've been eating chicken all day. They got chicken because they're chicken eaters. But we want to try something new, so we got fish. She's never eaten real fried fish before. So, can't get it with salt water. You dig me? You dig me? You dig me? Oh, Michael Jackson, Liberian girl. Vicky jump. Okay, so our first time eating sugar cane. Try. With the back of your molars? What the heck? Now chew it up. It's
Am I
basically
supposed to eat this?
no, spit that out. It's just sugar. Whoop. All right, me catch it. Some coconut. Woo! Oh, see that? Try that. First time drinking coconut water.
Sorry, no, no straw.
Gee,
No, man, that's young man.
bad.
Right.
What?
Just chop it like this, man, stuff. And make them go with it.
Can't put it down.
And then
Sweet like sugar.
and then we just cook it.
Don't come with you again. Then, I don't see you, John, when you do.
Get the flesh inside of it.
Almost.
Like mash it one shot or something.
That's it, I don't want it chopping at 200.
Alright. See
Yeah,
this?
it's good.
Hold it.
Not sure.
It's that called the inside. No, you use this.
Okay, I need to
Yeah.
pick.
So that's why they Jamaican
So you use a spoon.
Not
So use a spoon.
What the heck? You want to
What?
Okay, so back up. So now use a spoon and just
Scrape it
scrape the inside. And eat that. Bad. Yeah, boy. Going back, sir. Wash off your heart, Beverly West. After a Sunday, church, just chilling.
Watch Ziana, Miss Miller.
Watch him. Nyam 6, nyam food for 5, drink for 2, and still eat coconut. Watch him. Greedy, yeah? Please.
Yeah.
Put the cover on the sheet, please. Brush it. Brush it, Che. Brush it.
No, you do it.
Che.
You do it. I don't want to hear it. You do it.
Umi.
You do it.
Brush it.
You know how to do it. You do it. Come on. Come on.
Brush it.
Each.
Do it, please.
Yeah.
Brush it.
Man. You